Cybersecurity, a field that deals with the safeguarding of software, data, and hardware, while also assisting the prevention of fraudsters from getting access to devices or networks. To protect data, cash, and intellectual properties, businesses require cybersecurity because it aims to reduce the risks of cyber attacks and also protect against unauthorized exploitation of systems, networks, and technologies. Imagine you just woke up in the morning and found your social media account just hacked. Isn't that awful? And cybersecurity threats are requiring special attention for critical sectors and also needed in every organization because of their importance in data security. Imagine all of those IT giants such as Facebook, Google, and Amazon that are majorly relying upon users' data, then identifies unauthorized access to their data server or lose all of their data. Nothing can be more frightening for them than this situation. And however, I think this would be enough to make you understand the importance of cybersecurity in our today's digital world. The global cybersecurity market size is expected to grow from $239.4 billion in 2022 to $345.5 billion by the year 2026. Top companies like Google, Cisco, Facebook, and Microsoft are hugely investing in cybersecurity, so you should consider becoming a cybersecurity professional to build a worthwhile and successful career. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you the best roadmap for you to become a cybersecurity professional that companies love to hire. Not only that, but also the job roles in cybersecurity, and most importantly, the skills required in the field. And lastly, the recommended certifications and courses for you to learn cybersecurity, and also cybersecurity communities you should definitely be part of. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel. And let's get started. So to understand the essential skills required to grow your career in cybersecurity, you should have an excellent knowledge of networking, routing protocols, and cryptography. Then we have system administration. For the most part, you should start with Linux. Then you can move further to Windows administration. Then you will also need to learn the fundamentals of web application. Again, you need to be proficient in coding languages such as Java, Python, C programming, JavaScript, and many more. Cybersecurity professionals need to know SQL and database management systems. Again, most jobs require a 3 or 4 years bachelor's degree in cybersecurity or related fields such as computer science. However, if you don't have a relevant degree, you can always take up a relevant cybersecurity certifications and kickstart your cybersecurity journey. Now, let's talk about some of the top cybersecurity job roles you should definitely watch out for. Firstly, we have penetration testers. Penetration testers or ethical hackers design, simulate, and execute attacks on enterprise networks and systems with an intent to identify vulnerabilities and address them. The average salary of a penetration tester can go up to $102,000. And also, penetration testing is a programming heavy role. So before anything, you should become proficient in one of the popular programming languages like Python or Golang. The skills needed as a penetration tester are vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, code review for common vulnerabilities, programming skills in Python, Java, JavaScript, and many more. Network-related protocols such as HTTPs. Check out offensivesecurity.com for penetration testing with Kali Linux certification. I will drop the link in the description for you to check it out. This certification introduces penetration testing tools and techniques via hands-on experience. It also teaches you hands-on experience on the latest hacking tools and techniques, and also using information gathering techniques to identify and enumerate targets running in various operating systems and services. Secondly, we have security engineer. A security engineer do not directly respond to every cybersecurity incident. They design and implement security-focused tools and services. They also develop policies and procedures within the organizations. To become a security engineer, the key skills and experience that are expected are bachelor's degree in computer science or cybersecurity. Then we have understanding of application development, service-oriented architecture, threat modeling, risk identification, and many more. Then we have proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++, and many more. Then lastly, we have knowledge of web, network protocols, and cloud technologies. The average salary of a security engineer can go up to $124,000. The most common path to becoming a security engineer is to evolve from a software engineer. With some programming and quality assurance experience, you can gain cybersecurity credentials and transitions. On the other hand, if you already have experience and skills in cybersecurity, you can also gain fundamental application development skills to move up the ladder. And here is the page to get certified as Information System Security Professional. I will drop the link in the description. This certification is ideal for anyone starting a career as a Chief Information Security Officer, Security Manager, Security Analyst, and many more. Third, we have Forensics Analyst. A forensics analyst is an investigator who follows the digital evidence and solves a crime virtually. They recover data and determine how the security breach happened. They also study how the attackers gain access, traverse the network, what they did, and many more. The key skills expected as a forensics analyst are collaborating with incident response and risk management teams to perform a thorough analysis. Secondly, performing forensic functions to identify indicators of compromise. Then examine all sorts of data, including networks, logs, memories, and many more. And also develop digital forensics best practices. And here is the page to get certified as a forensics analyst. I will drop the link in the description for you to check it out. You can also click on this button here to register for the certification. So now, let's talk about some online training platforms for cybersecurity. First, we have TryHackMe. TryHackMe makes it easier to break into cybersecurity. You can use your email address here to sign up for free. Learning cybersecurity on TryHackMe is fun and addictive. TryHackMe is different from any other learning platforms because it does not only teach you security concepts, but has users putting their theoretical knowledge into practice through compromising real-world vulnerable machines, all of which can be done through the browser. The cybersecurity skills gap is growing, and TryHackMe aims to provide a service to reduce this by making cybersecurity easier to learn about and more accessible to the world. Secondly, we have Hack the Boss. Hack the Boss is an online platform allowing you to test your penetration testing skills and exchange ideas and methodologies with other members of similar interest. You can click on this button here to join and get started on the platform. Then we have Pentester Lab. Pentester Lab is an easy and great way to also learn penetration testing. Pentester Lab provides free vulnerable systems that can be used to test and understand vulnerabilities. And also, exercises are based on the common vulnerabilities found in different systems. So, this wraps up our tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, please be sure to like and subscribe for more related content. See you in my next tutorial, and as always, take care.